Hey there, traders. It is Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022, and we've got China in the crosshairs today. I got to say, it's been a while since we've done a long debit spread. The thumbnail that I had to edit said October 15th, 2021. So we've been selling some premium for quite some time now. Well, hey, it's good to get something different, right? First, before we get going, I do want to say a shout out to Mr. Laird for subscribing to my channel. I don't get a lot of subscribers these days. Hey, I don't know what's going on. I also haven't been putting out as many videos as I normally do. Apologies. Great to hear from you in the comments if you still watch this channel. But let's get going, right? Take a quick look at the trade. We have FXI, the ETF that tracks the Chinese economy. It's got a high liquidity, 4 drops out of 4, an IV rank of 28 right now. And if this trade interests you, stick around. We're going to put on an alternative to today's cherry bomb from Tasty Trade that came to my inbox, and it can come to your inbox too. If you go down to the description down below, you can sign up with Tasty Trade to go ahead and get their trade ideas sent to your inbox. All right, if not, have a wonderful day. Otherwise, I'll see you on the inside. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. If this is the first time we've met, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you'll subscribe someday. On screen, you can see we're inside of Thinkorswim Simulated Trading, and we are looking at the chart for FXI. So, definitely seen a low relatively recently. And we're at the bottom band. But believe it or not, we are betting this trend that's begun here starting, let's say, about the end of June, will continue here. So we're going to set ourselves up to be able to make more than we can lose, which usually isn't the common theme with a debit spread here. But let's go ahead and build the trade. Going to the Analyze tab here, the trade as sent to us has us in the September 9th weeklies with 38 days to expiration. And it has us buying the 31 put and selling the 29 put. If you look at the open interest, we got 1 open interest on each of those. I don't like that. So I'm going to close up that weeklies and I'm going to say, let's do this Tasty Trade sweet spot of 45 days to expiration and take a look at the difference in the liquidity on the monthlies. 31 put has 48,400 open interest, and the 29 has 72,000 open interest here. So way better liquidity on the monthlies. I think that's where we're going to go. And just to spice things up a little bit, I'm going to go over to this spread. Instead of single where I normally do things, I'm going to go to vertical, and then I'm going to set deep and wide to 1 month 2 strike vertical. There it is, and now I can see that the overall delta, because we're going to be long one and short another, is a negative 36 delta. Remember, that's because we're taking a bearish position on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the ask for this trade. It's going to be a debit of 92 cents. We take this over to the risk profile. Make sure the date in the top right corner matches the date in blue in the bottom left. That's September 17th. Now we have our expected move, which is this lighter gray area here. We could expand that if we want, stretch it out a little bit so it takes up a little more real estate. But now I want to get a probability of profit at expiration. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little menu right here. I'm talking you through it because it doesn't show up when I click it. Next step is to click on set slices, going over to break even and choosing September 17th. That snaps this gold line here, or as I call it, the goalpost, right to the break even at expiration, telling us that we have a 60% probability of profit at expiration on this one. And according to Tastyworks, this trade has a P50 of 59% as well. So we have a max profit of $108, and there's a 60% or 59% probability of us being able to make $54 somewhere in the next 45 days and walk away from this trade and close it, manage it, right? 50% of the max profit or 21 days. That's the Tasty Trade mechanic. I'm going to go ahead and right click this trade, choose confirm and send. You can't see it, so let me click this button and I will, there it is. And see, we max profit 108, max loss $92 for this trade for 45 days of it possibly working out for us. You know the probability is going in. If it's up to you if you take this risk. Of course, this is always optional, and we are Getting all this learning without any real risk because this is simulated trading. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit send, put that in the working orders, go back and make it full screen. I want to give a big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for watching this far into the videos. If you like this trade, love to hear from you. Leave a comment. If you don't like this trade, go ahead and tell me why you didn't like this trade anyway. I know FXI doesn't usually get me a lot of views, but hey, we keep on keeping on. All right, everybody, until I see you next time, may the market be with you.